Hello, I'm Heui Kim, founder of Guide Web Analysis LLC. Over the past several months, my colleague Heui Kim and I have been building a complete video training library for guide web testing, level 1 and level 2, and I want to introduce it here before the individual videos start going up. If you'd like to follow along, reach us at skim@gwanalysis.com or hk@gwanalysis.com or find us at www.gwanalysis.com. We also run active discussions on the LinkedIn and Facebook, both linked on this slide, where we post technical articles, field case studies, and Q&A alongside these videos. Now, let me talk about how this training works. This training is built around one core idea. Guide web testing is another separate discipline from conventional ultrasonic testing. It is a UT, the same physics, the same rigor applied at a lower frequency, guided by the geometry of the structure being tested. Every topic in this series reflects that starting point. The format works in 3 stages. First, watch. Walk through the theory, equipment, field, and procedure video library at your own pace, in any order, as many times as you need. Second, practice. Attend hands-on training, probe installation, live data acquisition, and a full field day with real pipeline specimens. Third, certify. Complete the written and the practical test for level 1 or level 2 with the theory already covered by video before you arrive. This is a real shift from traditional guide web testing training, which is usually 5 straight days of in-person lecture. Here, the lecture happens on your own time, and the in-person days are reserved for what the video cannot teach. Now, let's talk about the guide web testing 4 tracks. The training is organized into 4 tracks, and you will see all 4 presented on this slide. Theory covers the physics, fundamentals, and how guide web testing is compared to conventional UT, wave modes, and dispersion. Why T01 mode is preferred, cutoff frequency, and for level 2, advanced reflection and calibrations. Equipment covers hands-on operation, direction control, the system and probe themselves, MSS principle, and full field procedure, locating position, preparing the surface, installing strips, and acquiring data, finishing with the GIM software for data analysis and reporting. Field covers real application and real data, long-term monitoring, capabilities and limitations, pipe support and clamp effects, coding and threshold levels, attenuation, defect sizing, sector probe case studies, and for level 2, PIMS monitorings. Procedure ties it all together: scope and pre-inspection plannings, site selection and preparations, signal check and calibration, and the final analysis, reporting, and verifications. I'll be releasing 1 video per week, rotating through these 4 tracks in order: theory, equipment, field, procedure, then back to theory. So every track keeps moving forward together rather than finishing one track entirely before starting the next. Guide web testing doesn't need new physics. It needs proper training and proper reporting, and that's what this series is built to provide. Thank you, and I'll see you in the first video.